Go to the file and click on open. Select this boy image, press open. Now take the quick selection tool, select the t-shirt like this. Now press Ctrl J twice to duplicate the selected layer into two layers. Hide the top layer. Select the middle layer. Now go to the file and choose Place Embedded. Select this texture image, hit place. Now hold the Alt button and increase the image size like this. We can also use the opacity option to position it perfectly. Increase the opacity to 100%, press Enter. Now right click on this layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. Go to Blend Modes and choose Linear Burn. Now select the top layer, expose this layer, go to Blend Modes and choose Soft Light. Now decrease the opacity to 80%. Let's see the final result.